Here's your weather video for this Sunday. It's the 29th day of January. I can't believe the month of January is nearly gone. Rainfall amounts across the state over the past 30 days have been sort of uneven, ranging between the greens and the blues, which are above normal, and the yellows and light orange there that is below normal. Parts of Northwest and North Alabama, Tennessee Valley running 1 to 2 inches below normal over the last 30 days. Much of Central Alabama has fared better, but I think there's a good chance that by Tuesday we will have made up a good bit of these deficits over the northern part of the state and added to these surpluses across Central Alabama. That's already beginning today. This is the HRRR for early on this Sunday morning, showing showers over North Alabama, right where we expected them to be. That band will drop south during the day, reaching the Birmingham area by late morning to early afternoon. And it will intensify as we go through the afternoon hours as a shortwave trough passes to our north. You can see a good bit of Alabama, at least moderate, some heavy rain, some heavy thunderstorms over South Alabama. This is at 7 p.m. tonight, when the rainfall will sort of be at its peak. I think we do have a threat of severe weather over coastal sections of Alabama, Mississippi, back into Louisiana, over to northwest Florida. During the day today, that main threat coming from about noon till about 7 o'clock tonight. Damaging winds, the main possibility. Can't rule out a tornado, though, in those areas, and that's what we'll be watching. But as we go toward midnight, you can see the rainfall is beginning to taper off, um, relegated to scattered showers over northern Mississippi, back over southeastern Arkansas, northern Louisiana. That'll be moving across Alabama during the day on Monday. We'll top out today in the generally in the upper 50s over the northern half, lower 60s over the southern half, dropping to the really only the 50s overnight tonight. And we go into Monday cloudy with a few just lingering showers hanging around. Monday highs will be a little bit warmer in the 60s. This is Monday evening at 6 o'clock, and this is just pretty much how the cloud cover is going to look over the next 36 hours, just socked in over much of Alabama. Very few, if any, breaks in the way of clouds. These are temperatures for today. You see those 50s up north, 60s down south. We see 40s up north, lower 50s, middle part of Alabama tonight. That's what I would expect. Then Monday remains cloudy, as we said, a few scattered showers in the day, but that rain's going to begin to return Monday night. This is 3 a.m. after midnight, early Tuesday. Look at that winter precipitation there. Snow in Kentucky, West Virginia, some freezing rain and sleet over western Tennessee, back into the Missouri Boot Hill. And we'll be watching that area. Don't expect that to get into Alabama, but you never can tell. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Not calling for that in the forecast, just rain here. And periods of light rain will continue into the day on Tuesday. But you can already see the next wave is getting its act together back to the west, and rain arrives in here again on Tuesday night. Wednesday promises, this is early morning Wednesday, about 3 a.m. You can see no wintry problems for us, maybe some back over Arkansas, but just rain here, moderate rain, continuing a good bit of the day. I think that lifts to the north as a warm front during the day, focuses the heavier rain by Monday after or Wednesday afternoon over the Tennessee Valley, and probably gives parts of central Alabama a reprieve. Then a surface low develops along the front back to our west, begins to track to the northeast. We see it here between Columbus, Mississippi, and Meridian at about 3 p.m. on Thursday afternoon. And at that point, good bit of central Alabama may be in the warm sector. I would think that Thursday highs are probably going to, not be very warm. I say warm sector, 50, 50s for the highs. Not, not very warm at all for sure. But rain will be heavy over North Alabama, Tennessee, the northern Mississippi area. That rain moves out pretty quickly. Finally, as the low gets its act together, pushes the cold front through here. We've got the rain out of here by Friday morning. It looks like maybe parts of South Alabama continue to get some rain, but it looks like this latest model run has kind of moved that out a little quicker as well. Friday night's dry across the area. Saturday's dry, calling for high temperatures on Saturday. In the middle 50s, dry for a change for sure. But rain returns quickly on Sunday. That next rain system is in here. And then once that system moves out, it's dry. for the rest of that week. I think we have about a 5 or 6 day period where, well, maybe 4 or 5 day period where we don't deal with any rain. But look here, Friday night, the 10th, starting to take on more of a spring look. And I think we'll have some instability over southern Alabama, kind of like the last few systems. Rain and thunderstorms, possibility of severe weather at that, but that's a long way out. We got a lot of time to look at that. These are precipitation averages off of the GFS ensemble, showing that that mean somewhere just under 4 inches for Birmingham, and you see everything there from 2 inches to about 6 inches across the ensemble members running for that 2 week period. These are temperatures off the GFS. Looking at the next 2 weeks, you can see sort of a cool period continuing through next weekend, then a gradual warm up in that following week. Look at there, about Friday, we're at 71, and that clues you in that we might be dealing with some strong thunderstorms. Quick cool down behind that. Weather Brains, the weekly netcast. It's all about weather. We'll be recording another show on Monday night, talking to the folks from Waymo, taking information from your highway drive and helping to make autonomous vehicles better, and maybe to even help our weather forecast be better. We'll record that at 7 o'clock live Monday night, be available on your favorite podcast stream by early Tuesday morning. Been doing that show 16 years. Coming up on our 17th anniversary here. I think that may even be this week. So 17 years, Weather Brains, the weekly netcast. It's all about weather. And that's your weather video that's all about weather for Birmingham and Alabama and other parts of the country. Do it every Sunday morning. Scott has the Saturdays. James will be here Monday through Friday, as always, with his two-a-days. And until I get to see you next week, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.